Friday, November 17th, apparently 2017. And we have just completed this wonderful, amazing Pondless Waterfall. I am in love with this. So we have a view from here, from the kitchen, and we have a view from the backyard, swimming pool, and pool area here. So this is a Pondless Waterfall. We brought in 10 ton, 20,000 pounds of calico stone, reinforced a lot of it with concrete. We've got our snorkel and our pump in here. We've got lights all the way throughout. I just love how the water cascades in different ways. I could just sit here for hours and days looking at this. It's mesmerizing. The water's a little foamy right now, but that is normal when you first spin on a waterfall. That's our pool. There's our love bench. Look at that gorgeous waterfall. We've got rocks all up around it, above it, and we're going to plant plants on Monday. There's a pool. We completely transformed this property here in the San Fernando Valley. As you see the 405 freeway heading into the 818 area code. This is a dreamscape come true.